Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. In the previous video we learned about function. I hope you got the basic concept of function, how to pass an argument by value by reference. I gave you some exercise too. I hope you did the exercise. Please do the exercise so that you can understand better. Today we will not learn a new topic, but we'll learn something that I think we have missed while learning till now. We have learned most of the basics. Now next we'll learn about files and then we'll go to object oriented programming. But before going to object oriented, I want to we have missed some tweaks in between, so I want to start it from the top. Okay, that's why I did not erase, because I thought that we might miss something and we surely did. Okay, let's start from here. Just let comment out this so that it doesn't disturb us again. Okay, that's function was completed. I hope you got all the concept. If you missed anything, please watch the video, and if you don't understand, please comment out. Okay, we'll go to the top and just we'll go to data type and variable. This is the first video, data types and variable, not first, second, because first we learn about hello world. Okay, here there is some tweaks that we need to understand. Okay, we included the string library because we'll use string. And before string, I want to say you something. Okay, we know how many there are data types, and there are different type of data types like int, double. But what if you want to convert the double into int? Suppose double, we have a number is equal to 10.0, and if you print out this double, the answer you will get is 10.0. Okay, you are getting it 10. I don't know why. Okay, just write 10.5 and check it. Okay, 10.0 did not matter. Okay, let's write it float, and I hope in the float value it will give this, because float takes smaller and double take a till larger number. Just run it. No, both are giving the same, so we'll go 10.5 and we'll run it. We got 10.5, but what if we wanted this 10.5 to turn into an integer? We can't turn it directly because this 0.5 can't be erased. We have to do minus, like num minus 0.5, but that's a lot of trouble. But we can do one thing. Okay, just let me write here endl. You already know what endl is. Okay, and just like I'll teach you how to convert, means how to make this float into integer. Value like converting. Just let's write converting, just to say that how we can convert from float to uh, integers. So this is in float and we want to integer. You can just write it here int, put it in braces and write the name of the variable num, and if you just print out this, you can see that 10 is printed, 0.5 is gone, because we converted this float type into int type. That's how you can do casting. You can just convert from one to another. Okay, we'll go to the later part, because if we do in this way, then the code will get updated and you won't find it in GitHub. I will upload everything on GitHub so that you can don't miss any. So we'll just comment out this and we'll go in the bottom. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Let's clear out this and we'll write here our main function, and I taught you our float equal 10.5 cout num e and dl cout int num. Okay, some typos, and this is the same. Okay, first you see 10.5, then we can do 10. What if we convert a string to integer? Okay, let's write one. We'll write string. We can use string because we included this library. Okay, you can see here we included the string library, so we can use strings. Don't forget this. We always need to include all this in the top before writing our intent. Don't forget that. Okay, let's come to the bottom and we'll write string. Just write name is equals to Bill Gates, GATES. Okay, just let's write Bill. And what if we print this? Just comment out this. and just write name, and we convert this into name. I don't know what the answer will be. We are just checking out. What if it, okay, we need an here, just run it. Okay, what does it say? Error, invalid cast from type standard string. A standard basic strings are to type int, means we cannot convert this to string. String can't be converted to integers, but there are some method we can convert it. I don't know here currently. I don't know how to do that, but there are some ways how we can convert that. So we'll learn about this in later part. But first of all, today I want to teach you something about string. So that I'm doing all this. So just let's comment. Let's clear out this. Okay, when you take C in its name, to show you something, C out name, just run it this. Okay, it will ask for input, and you just write Bill Gates. You can see only Bill is getting printed. Only Bill, and the space after the space, this Gates is not getting printed. Why? Because let's clear out this. Just run it one more time. Okay, we'll take the input Bill Gates. Okay, only Bill, but Gates is not getting, because C in up in C in, when you apply this space after the Bill, we apply this space. After space, it thinks that that's complete. After that, that's why the gate is not printed here, even though we wrote it. We can overcome this in string by using a new function that is called getLine. Okay, we'll just write getLine. Just write here C in and the name of the variable name. Just put this and just run it. Now if you write Bill Gates, and you can see we get full. So this is what I want to teach you in string, that if you use getLine, then you can get the complete name. Even if you use space, then also you will get the full input. But in scene, after spaces, we don't count whatever is written. So I hope you got this. There is one more thing that I want to teach you, that is, if you wanted to know where is the G in this, in which position is it G, we can know 0 1 2 3 4 5, it's in fifth position. But how can we find that? We can just write C out and write name dot find, just write G, and if you run this, okay, we should take the name first, Bill Gates, and you can see it's 5. Why it is 5? Because we wrote where is G in this whole name. So G is in 0 1 2 3 4 5. So you got it. This is how we can find the value of G here. So if you wanted to find that's not a good name, let's write one a good name. Just directly write here, we can write Mahatma. Okay, we write Mahatma and we just print out this name. We just comment out this getLine. I hope you got the concept of getLine. And we write G and just run it. We can see this is an error. This is a garbage value. We write find G because there is no G here. But what if you wanted to find A? There are many A, and if you run it, it shows you 1, because first it gives you the first instance MAJ. But what if you wanted to get this A? So you can get that just by writing A, and after how many characters, after how far you want to find that. You want to find 0 1 2 3 4. After 4, just write this and run that. You can see it's in the sixth, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's in the sixth value. So that's how you can find a character in a string, and you can take a string by using getLine. There are many things, you can check out them in the internet. I just taught you the basic one, how to find. And there is one more, that is called erase. Okay, you can just write name dot erase, and how many characters do you want to erase? So you want to erase last two, so this is two characters, so just write 2, and before 2, from where do you want to start? We want to start from 0 1 2 3 4, from 4, and just run this. I hope there is no error. Okay, there is no error, but then did not get erased. So now if you print out name and see the answer, you can see we got only Maha. T and M got cancelled because from the fourth position two letters got omitted. Okay, you may see this 6. This 6 is because we will not write here E and DL. You can just write A and DL. Just run it one more time. So you can see we got MAHAA. Why we got A? Because fourth character, from the fourth character, that is M1 0 1 2 3 4, T and M, because we need two characters to be erased. So T and M got erased and we got this. That's how you can erase, and you can find any, and you can take spaces in string by using getLine. I hope you got this concept of data type and variable. We did have casting, how you can convert into float. You can do float to int in the same way. That's why I hope you got this. That's why I made this video. In the second video we learn some more types that we missed out. There will be 2-3 videos, so I hope you watch them also, that you understand the small tweaks that we might have missed in this basic. So thank you for watching. See you in the next.